Remember those open book tests in high school? Maybe some of you made it to college. Remember those, the open book tests, where there's the question, it's perplexing, you don't maybe know the answer, but you have the book. You just open the book and there's the answer. Now, think about your trading. What if every trade you had ever taken was more like an open book test? That's what we offer. See, not only do we teach you how to trade, but we give you living, breathing trades to execute on while you're going through the learning process. So if you're tired of the guesswork, are we going up or are we going down? Last week we issued, I think it was 60 something alerts in Logic 247. I think about 4% of those were stopped out based on not risking more than $300 per contract per trade. But you see, we're not just teaching you how to trade, and we're not just giving you trade setups to trade. We're giving you both. We're teaching you how to trade, presenting you with the question, and giving you the answer. Around the clock, 24/7. Globex opens every night at 6 p.m. Eastern, and on Sunday nights at 6 p.m. Eastern. That's when the Globex channel opens. It stays open till Friday afternoon at 5 p.m. Eastern. S&P, Dow, Russell, NQ, crude, gold, all the markets you love to trade. We're going to give you the trade setups, the entries, the targets, the potential resistance, the potential support, the final trade to target, everything that you need. All the things that no one else ever gave you, that they charged you an arm and 2 legs for. Now it's all yours. $97 a week. That's what I said. $97 a week for everything we offer. Cancel anytime. You can also upgrade anytime to lifetime membership. So if you're tired of being behind the equity curve, if you'd like to get out in front for a change, Emini Futures Trading.com. That's all it takes. Emini Futures Trading.com. $97 a week. Everything a trader needs, all under one roof, one low price. See you at the open.